how to make money using the advent of artificial intelligence, AI, has opened up a myriad of opportunities for entrepreneurs, freelancers, and investors alike. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to harness AI to generate income. Firstly, develop AI skills and offer consulting services. Start by gaining a deep understanding of AI technologies. You can take online courses on machine learning, data analysis, and neural networks. Once proficient, offer consulting services to businesses seeking to implement AI solutions. You can help companies automate processes, enhance customer service, or improve decision-making through data analysis. Secondly, create and sell AI-enabled products. If you have a knack for product development, consider creating AI-powered tools or applications. These could be anything from chatbots for customer service to more complex software for data analysis or predictive modeling. After developing your product, market it to potential users, emphasizing its AI capabilities and how it can solve specific problems or improve efficiency. Then freelance as an AI specialist. Platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Toptal are constantly in need of AI specialists. As a freelancer, you can work on a variety of projects, such as developing AI algorithms, training machine learning models, or analyzing large datasets. Freelancing allows you to gain diverse experience while building a robust professional network. Also invest in AI startups or stocks if you have capital to invest. Consider investing in AI startups or buying stocks of companies that are leaders in AI technology. This sector is growing rapidly, and early investments can yield significant returns. However, remember to conduct thorough research and consider the risks involved in investments. Begin to build and monetize AI-powered content. If you have skills in content creation, you can use AI to generate unique content. This includes using AI tools for writing articles, creating music, or generating art. You can monetize this content through platforms like blogs, YouTube, or online galleries. Try to educate others about AI. With a growing interest in AI, there's a significant market for education and training in this field. You can create and sell online courses, conduct workshops, or write books about AI. Topics might include introductory courses on AI, tutorials on specific AI tools, or insights into the latest AI trends. Discover leverage AI for e-commerce. If you run an e-commerce business, AI can be a game changer. Use AI algorithms for personalized product recommendations, inventory management, price optimization, and customer service automation. This can significantly improve customer experience and operational efficiency, leading to increased sales and revenue. Participate in AI competitions. Platforms like Kaggle host AI and machine learning. Competitions where you can solve real-world problems using AI. Winning or ranking high in these competitions can not only earn you prize money, but also open doors to job opportunities and professional recognition. In conclusion, the key to making money with AI lies in continuous learning and adapting to new technologies. Whether you're a developer, investor, or content creator, AI offers vast potential for monetization. Stay updated with the latest trends in AI, be creative in your approach, and always look for new opportunities to apply AI in innovative ways.